And welcome back to my channel. My name's Gabby and today I have a super exciting video. I know I say that about a lot of my videos, but I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the Lisa Frank palette from Morphe. I'm super excited. Obviously a lot of you are familiar with Lisa Frank, and I know it was, for me in elementary school, like the coolest thing if you had the Lisa Frank folders and notebooks for school. So this is like a blast from the past. And I also have to say thank you to my brother Tyler. He's the one that got this for me for Christmas. So hey Ty, if you're watching, and thank you again. So if you'd like to see what look I create, then keep on watching. Okay, so before we get started with the makeup look today, I have to show you the inside because it's super cute. So I'm going to cover up the mirror just so all my lights aren't blinding you, but you can kind of see here, there's all the colors, and then obviously almost every color of the rainbow, and then over here is that heart-shaped mirror. So it's really beautiful. They all have fun names on them. They're a little bit hard to read, to be honest. I don't know if you could see that when I first showed you, but I'll flip it around again. You can kind of see the shade names are very light on there. So I'll try my best to let you know what shade I'm using as I use it, but I might just end up putting it on the screen so you can read it. It might be easier that way, and I'm not stumbling over the shade names as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do two different looks on each eye since we have so many colors that we could choose from. And then I'm going to do something a little fun at the end to kind of be a little extra, you know, because Lisa Frank's a little extra. Nothing wrong with that, which is why I'm doing the space buns today. This hairstyle is a little out of my comfort zone, but I thought it was fun and a fun way to use my purple hair extensions that I colored in my last couple of videos. So I'll go ahead and link those down below if you'd like to see how I did that. But here's another way you can wear them. But other than that, I'm going to put my hair behind my ears so we can get started. And I've already done my base makeup as well as my eyebrows, so I'm just going to focus on eyeshadow and lips in this video. And I think that's it. So let's jump into the shadows now. I think on this eye over here, I'm going to go with more of a yellows to greens to blue, maybe purple on this eye, and then the other eye is going to be more of like sunset, like yellows, orange, red, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this eye then with those colors. And I am going to be wetting my brush just to make sure I have that strongest pigment that I can, especially for this look. So I'm jumping into the yellow shade first. And I am going to be looking off to the side just a little bit because my mirror's over here. It's a little bit easier to see than my viewfinder. But I'll make sure to look back at the camera so you can see how it turns out. So you don't know what you're doing. Very pigmented, as you can see. And the walls are closing in. Pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do the other shades as well, and then I'll put the shade names up as I use them, and I'll also go back and blend towards the end, so don't be worried if as I'm going it looks a little questionable. It'll all come together at the end. So I'm going to be wetting my brushes and then going through all the way across. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. Remind you that it's not, and the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater. Okay, I'm going to do my eyeliner and lashes off camera, and then I'm going to come back and blend this a little bit more, and then we'll add some finishing touches, and we'll see what everything looks like. So let me go do the lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my lashes on and everything, and I feel like that definitely helped pull this together a little bit. I still feel like I need to buff out the top of both of these a little bit. I feel like I kind of thought I was going to like the sharp line, but I feel like I want it to be a little more smudged out. So I'm going to work on that for a second. I don't think I'm going to add any more color. I might just try to buff it out a little bit without adding too much. And not a lot, but see how that almost kind of helped a little bit, like taking away that sharp line a bit. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye.
I can make it when I walk alone.
Okay, that's a bit better. You know, honestly, I have to say the green is not my favorite over here. It's kind of hard to work with, and I tried several of the different greens in the palette, and it's just still not the best, but I still think this look turned out pretty cute. Now I feel like I want to add something a little more fun to it, just to kind of take it up to the next level. But before I do that, I'm going to throw on a lip, and I think, you know, since we're kind of going a little extra with everything else, I'm going to do a black lip today, and then go over it with this diamond lip gloss in the shade Mermaid, just to kind of make it a little iridescent. So I'm going to work on that, and probably speed through that, because it's going to take me a while to get this perfected. You know, it's always harder when you're working with a dark lip. So let me throw this on, and then I'll jump back so we can finish everything else.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night, if I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not.
Okay, I'm gonna let that dry before I put on the top coat on there. So I think this looks really cute together, actually. Kind of brings out the rainbow of the eyes. And if you see me looking down, that's where my viewfinder is. Sorry about that. Otherwise, this looks really cute. I'm going to go ahead and add some fun details now. So I feel like, you know, Lisa Frank always has some kind of animal print. And on this specific case, it's more of a tiger. But I thought it'd be kind of fun to add some, like, cheetah print rainbow going on. Okay, so I'm going to do the opposite colors on this side for the cheetah print as the side. So let's do some red and pinks and oranges over here. And I'm just going to do varying size little blobs, and then I'll outline in black eyeliner to kind of make the cheetah spot shade. So I'm going to speed through most of that, but you'll see towards the end.
My head held high, no shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid, I dreamt of something greater, like
Okay, so I'm gonna go over all of these now with some, just either a half circle or 2 half circles, and just kind of trace them that way until they all look like little cheetah spots. And then we'll go ahead and throw the top coat on and we'll be done. So I'm gonna zoom through this and show you what it looks like at the end.
On a stage and hearing all those people shout my name, but now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could come through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights, I could just stay the same. I'll be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll
high like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long, guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you be with this tonight. So keep playing hard and aim for the stars. Cause to win a surprise that you be with this tonight.
I'm not gonna lose myself this
I'm
time.
not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing.
Okay, and there you have that. As you can see, it turned out really cute with the little cheetah prints on there. I thought it kind of brought it up to the next level. So now I'm going to put on this iridescent Mermaid lip gloss topper over my black lipstick, just in the center to kind of add a little pop. See how bright that is?
And I'll win the fight, not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know.
Okay, and I've just zoomed out a bit so you can see the finished look. As you can see, it turned out really fun. I feel like this is totally like a Lisa Frank-esque look with all the animal print and the rainbow and the bright colors, and the case was a little bit iridescent, so I added a little iridescent top coat to my lips today just to kind of tie everything together. But overall, I think this was a super cute palette. I'll definitely be diving into it again, maybe trying some looks, not using the green since it wasn't my favorite. Most of the greens on that row didn't have the color payoff that I'd really want in a palette, but other than that, there's so many other colors to choose from, so I'm not dismissing this completely. It's beautiful, and I'm really excited to use it in the future. So if you'd like to see me create any more looks with this, definitely let me know down below. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.